All right, Tracy on the mic once again with the head coach of Team Santo Domingo, Coach Pao. Coach, of course, the last time we saw you was at the ECL. Now here in the Governor's Cup, ano sa tingin mo ang pinagkaiba ng Team Santo Domingo this time around in the provincial games?
Actually, same pa din, underdog. Pero ang pinagkaiba, may dalawang import na ngayon. Last time wala eh. So medyo may mga nakuha tayong taga-suporta para makakuha tayo. Thanks to them kay Sir Mike Presbitero, Engineer Herbert Anova, sa Mayor namin, sa Mayor Bong Banda, and sa buo ng staff ng tourism.
Now, Coach, you're heading against Team Pulangi tonight. Anong pinaka tigpreparan nindo against this Team Pulangi here in your first game?
Actually, loaded sa guards ang Pulangi. So, yun ang number one adjustment namin. Kailangan namin mag-pacing kasi sila, halos lahat sila, pwede mong gamitin eh.
Yeah.
And yung import nila, tignan mo kung gaano katangkat. Yun lang naman.
Now, of course, the provincial games allows for imports, Coach. But who do you think amongst your players, sino ang sa tingin mong kailangan mag-step up here tonight for you?
Actually, lahat ng local dapat mag-step up. Kasi, na sinabi ko, loaded yung kalaban, may import pa. So, lahat ng help na pwedeng makuha, kailangan mag-contribute talaga.
There you go. Thank you so much, Coach Pao, and good luck.
Good luck. Thank you.